So, hi, welcome to all. Uh, Welcome to the e-waste repair academy, where lives transfer through hands-on training, and this is supported by the Creativity Adda and created by Punartech. So, the e-waste scenario in India. India is the fastest country in the world who is making e-waste day by day. I mean, generating e-waste day by day. And according to the DCIO, e-waste has been rose from 2.76 million metric ton in 2020 to about 6.19 million metric ton in 2024. And they are now predicting like in 2030, this will go to up to 14 million metric ton. So out of that, 22% of e-waste is collected and recycled formally. But the 78% of e-waste has remained, and now in that 70% is IT waste. So IT waste is like computers, uh, like desktop, laptop, printer, servers, etc. And it would be like 4.60 million metric tons. And this out of this 4.60 million metric ton, 40 to 50% can be refurbished and reusable if we repair it. So for repair and reuse, we need a good repairer. But unfortunately, we do not have good technicians. We have to make them. And here we thought about the e-waste repair academy. With the help of Creativity Adda, we designed our course which focus on practical hands-on training. Students should be more than 18 plus, and they will be from school and college dropout students. They will be coming from the low income family, the marginalized one, and they must have the curiosity to learn about the e-waste, and of course they should handle the e-waste management for the sustainability. And in this course, we will go with the 15 students, and it will be for the 6 months duration program, which consists level 1 and level 2. And of course, we wanted to go it for the free of cost, and we should give the stipend because the students are coming from the marginal family. So like this program is started and the training, the hands-on training is like this happening. And when the program initiated, we got 110 desktop and laptop as a IT waste for the learning material to the students. And they have started this learning with the help of facilitators. Uh, they they also doing, I mean, the peer learning and with their curiosity how to get it repaired. They have repaired 80 to 85 laptop and desktop refurbished and which can be reusable and saved from going landfill. So, what are our challenges and learning throughout the course is that the hands-on learning is possible because it's possible for the universal problems and the sustainable education it's matter because of the current scenario. The lifelong learning and adaptability is also very important, and the peer learning among the dropout students are very essential because they learn like that only. And the challenges what we have faced and we are facing also is like sourcing the learning material because getting the scrap, I mean, the IT waste material is a big challenge. We have to purchase it. We do not get likely that. And the train instructor, of course, the train instructor is a bit difficult to find because the facilitator need to teach them like hands-on training, more practical rather than just theoretical, like learning other colleges in the country. Uh, Keep them motivated to the student is very hard. Uh, Keeping their attendance, uh, telling them on time, do not get the holidays, and all this is little bit pressurized because the student is really very hard to maintain with them also, because their mindset is also different. They do not I mean, they are not like the regular school and colleges student. So and the linkages of the recycling industry is very important, because they should get the exposure also. I mean, how the e-waste can be you know uh, uh, can be stored, and how can we do that. And the local shop exposure is also very essential for them, and it is a big challenge, because local shop do not discover their business there, what they are doing. So it's bit securing financial support for setup, and the student type stipend is like the funding matters. It's an issue. What is the impact? How we see the impact of our class? There is a Rafiq. Uh, they have shared emotional feedback with us, how the financially instability led them to left their education in between, and how EVS Repair Academy helping them to gain the skills. Like Rafiq, there are other students also, Monish and the Samad. They are also they also share their uh, they also share their story, like how this initiative helping them not only acquiring knowledge and skill, but at the same time they are stress free for the traveling expenditure also, because the stipend is getting. Apart from the student progress, we have some social and environmental impact also. Like there is a 12 student, because we have offered 15 students, but the sincere student is like 12. The 12 students gaining skill, and of course their confidence, because of the dropouts, they were like very low in their confidence, but it is rebuilt. And we are offering the level 1 and level 2 in only 6 months, whereas the other colleges teaches this in 2 years, but we will complete in 6 months only. And we have made change maker in their local societies, and like 85 laptop and desktop we have saved from landfill, and are helping to increase digital inclusiveness, and of course the significant IT waste is reduced.
Right. So Shehnaz,
So
in the
just
we have
one
limited
one
time. Yeah.
completed just one line. Thank you for giving the platform to present. We encourage if this kind of class happen in other city, other state of the country, the local people, for the local people, so that they can earn local also. Thank you. Thank you very
Right.
much.